very excited to open this to the fact that I sign up for many affiliate links to place on my site, and it's very rare that an affiliate will send you a product to test. So I'm very grateful for Tenzo to do this and allowing me to sample their product. Just because they're affiliate link does not mean that I am going to be untruthful. If the product sucks, I will tell you. If it doesn't suck, I will also tell you. All right, so Tenzo. It also don't always take someone's opinion. I mean, you always got to test it yourself. Wow, okay, this is cool. So this is a complete kit, and caffeine you can feel good about, and I always feel good about my caffeine. I feel good about all caffeine. Let's see what we got here. All right, so you got a nice little postcard. Turn your caffeine cravings into something positive. All right. So we got looks like a mixer or something. Your at home mocha mixer. That looks cool. We'll open that up in just a minute. And this is organic ceremonial green tea powder. So we're going to have a little ceremony together, you and I. And we get a little scooper. What do you call it? A measuring scooper or just a scooper pooper? Or, I don't know what you call it. I have no idea what this is. I guess you just put it on your head for it's part of the ceremony, I suppose. I'm not really sure what you do with this. It's just a sticker, maybe. I don't know. Anyways, thank you for that. And then there's this little canister. So I'm assuming you put the powder in it, and there's something on top here. I don't think that unscrews. And there's a little thingy down here. This cute little setup here. Tenzo. Oh, it shows you exactly what to do. So you cut open the bag, you put the tea in there, then you scoop it out. Okay, simple enough. So we can do that. All right. So a nice, cute little canister. Tenzo shot. Latte, tea, smoothie. All right. So we'll put this here. And so it gives you a little thing here where to cut. And this is probably maybe do this on a counter, maybe not do this on furniture, but I never do anything smart anyways, so why start now? All right, we got my scissors here, and we're gonna cut here there. Hey, do you eat it? Will you cut it there, huh? All right, there we go. And it's very green. So it's very green. I don't want to dip it too much. You'll see it when I pour it in. I think you'll see it when I pour it in. Maybe you won't see it when I pour it in. All right, let me just pour it in now. It's very powdery. It smells very gingery. It smells very. What does it smell like? It's like a. There you go. Here's the powder. I mean, it does smell like tea, which is good because it's tea. I don't know. I'll have to think on it. It smells something familiar. I just can't think of what the word is. And there's like green powder going on all over the place. So I'll have to dust, I'm sure, at some point. All right. So that goes in there. Ooh. And then, there's green powder all over the place. Yeah, definitely do this on a counter. So it says fights against viruses. Chill it out. Pour it over ice. Add some cold water. Make it tart. Make it sweet. Make it creamy. So they got honey going in there. So, all right, I'm going to do up a bunch of stuff for this, and we'll do little shots of, it says make it into a smoothie, add a banana and stuff like that. That's probably where this comes into play. So as always, my videos are going to be more difficult than I thought when I started. So I'll have to do these all up. Let's see what we got here. So this is the mixer. And it comes with batteries. It even comes with batteries. Look at that. Batteries are included with this. And yeah, already this is looking like to be a nice gift. Look at that. That's awesome. You got a little stand for that? All right. I'm impressed so far there, Tenzo. If it tastes as good as the setup is, then you got a winner here. You got a fan. All right, let me collect all this stuff. I'll actually go into the kitchen and we'll make some stuff, and we'll test it out and we'll see how it tastes. All right, so let's try this out. Let's try a recipe here. I got this offline off the website. This is like a banana yogurt, whatever the doohickey. Some type of smoothie. Oh, the batteries in the little mixer thingy here. Yep, that's how they go. Got a little mixer. I don't know how powerful it's going to be. Give it a shot. Have some coffee. All right, so it needs a frozen ripe banana. This isn't frozen, and it's not a whole banana, but we'll put it in. Break it up a little bit. Okay, it's asking for a half cup of dairy-free yogurt. I'm just going to guesstimate half cup. It's asking for a scoop of vanilla protein powder. I don't have a scoop of vanilla protein powder, so we're going to have to skip that. I'm going to put some blueberries in. It doesn't call for blueberries, but I'm going to put some in there anyways. So it's asking for vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon. So we got that. Just put a little of that in there. And then we got to do 1 tablespoon of our stuff. Hopefully we don't get it messy. It's nice and green and it gets nice and messy. 1 tablespoon of our stuff. A heaping tablespoon, a generous tablespoon. And then it's asking for 1/2 cup soy milk. I'm going to have to use real milk. So we'll guesstimate about half a cup. All right, now we got our little blender. Let's see how it blends. You gotta keep your finger on it. All right. Ooh. Ooh, it's making a mess. There's like green shit all over the place. It works good. It's just I mix in the green stuff first because I gotta clean all this green shit up now. Kind of. I'd use a real blender. This thing is not very powerful. It's not really mixing up the banana. I'll mush the banana. It mixed everything else pretty good. Just not the banana. Yeah, I'll show you. It does okay, but there's like chunks of banana in here. It looks pretty good. All right, that's all right. We can have chunks of banana. That's okay. All right, it's not too bad. I mean, it did make sure if you do this, I'd mix it up first, which I didn't do, so the powder is in there, and then do it, or the powder will go all over the place like I did. But I've never done this before, so. All right, let's try it out. That should make one smoothie for you. The dog barking outside. Let's see how we go. Let's see how we taste. It's kind of bland. The taste of the powder's okay. It's kind of chalky. Let me try it just with the powder. So So let me try a little, just this. Not sure how much you would put in there. Just gonna put a teaspoon in there. Let's see how we do. It tastes like tea. Needs more. So 2 tablespoons I put in here. Probably too much. It tastes like tea. It's kind of got a strange aftertaste. I don't know how quite to explain it. I don't usually tea. Well, usually tea, I guess, has somewhat of an aftertaste, but you can definitely smell it. I wouldn't say it's the best tasting thing in the world. I don't know if I would drink it on a daily basis. I guess if it's healthy, you can put it in a smoothie. I wouldn't really recommend it. It's not very good, but I mean, that's personal taste. I'm not a big tea drinker anyways. Wonderful. It tastes like, you know what it tastes like? It tastes like tea with spinach. That's what it tastes like. Tea with spinach. So if you like spinach and you like tea, you probably like this. It's not very good. I don't like it. Maybe it'd be better hot, but I'm not going to try that out. The smoothie's okay. The smoothie's pretty good. It needs more of a kick. It needs more banana, which I only had a half a banana. It needed a whole banana. It needs more of a kick. That's better. The smoothie's much better than this with it alone. All right, gals and guys, let's go back to the computer and we'll finish up. So I can't base this on what it does to your body, if you take it for a long time, if you have more energy. It's tea. I mean, tea is good for you. There's nothing bad in it. I actually looked up the ingredients, and the best I could find was, where was it here? Organic maca. How do you say that? Maca? Mecca? I don't even know how to pronounce it. I shouldn't be reviewing it. Organic matcha tea powder. Maddie's natural sweetener, which is organic coconut, palm nectar, monk fruit, organic natural flavors, organics. So it's all natural. It's just very chalky, which I find most like protein powder is typically chalky. Obviously, if you mix it with something, it's going to taste better. It doesn't particularly taste good on its own. It does taste like tea. So if you're a big tea drinker, you might think differently. I am not. I drink a lot of coffee. I don't mind tea once in a while, but and it does, like I said, it's kind of like and there's not anything in it. There's no spinach in it. But if I was to define it, it would be tea with spinach. That's what it tastes to me. And the powder is very green. So if you buy it, be very careful because it goes all over the place. When I opened it, it went all over the place. When I was out there, it went all over the place. So be very careful with that. And this works pretty good. This comes with the kit. Here's the kit right here. If you're interested in I'll put the link down. It's actually one of my affiliates that I have on my other site. So I'll put the link down there, and you get the kit. You get this thing, which is pretty awesome. And I actually washed this. I washed the whole thing. So I'm assuming it's waterproof. It's still running, and I put it in water. So I don't know. That's up to you. It works okay. I would mash things up first before I use it, but it worked pretty good. And you get this with the kit too. That's about it, gals and guys. I just wanted to review it. They were nice enough to send it to me because they're an affiliate, and just once in a while, when you get an affiliate, they'll send you stuff to try. It just wasn't for me. It might be for you. It's what do they say? Taste is in the eye of the beholder. I don't think that's really what they say, but that's my review on this, gals and guys. And I don't know, try it, mix it up with some stuff, see how it works for you. Tell me how it works for you, and put it down in the comments. All right, gals and guys, I got something else I got to try too. So when you're an affiliate, you get stuff once in a while. So that's cool. I appreciate it very much, Tenzo. That's very, very, very nice of you. Very kind of you. All right, gals and guys, I'll catch you later. Please subscribe. Oh, what are the things? Like, share, and hit the bell for updates. And I will catch you soon. Peace.